This quick guide shows how to start a SOAP note in Practice Fusion from the patient chart summary. By the end of this brief tutorial, you can locate New Encounter, choose SOAP note, complete the SOAP sections, and save the encounter. Before documenting, confirm you are in the correct patient chart and that the encounter date and visit context are correct, which should be a home visit. On the summary screen, find the orange New Encounter button near the top of the chart at the upper right-hand corner. Click the button to show the drop-down. From the encounter type list, scroll to find and select SOAP note. The menu option is highlighted in the supplied screenshot. A SOAP note has 4 sections: subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. Use each section for the right type of information. Use the dot phrase .rn wound to activate templates specific for you to use and edit. Complete the note with concise clinical details using dot phrases in each section of subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. It is under the objective section that you document wound measurements and other information, then review for completeness before finalizing. There is an automatic save feature when work is in progress, except for when you enter the vital signs, so for that, please make sure to save your work on vital signs. This concludes the quick tutorial. If you have any additional questions or clarifications, please do not hesitate to contact the clinical liaison, the practice manager, or the clinical director. Thank you for joining us, and welcome to Senior Care Clinic House Calls team.